How to use the flashlight and night vision. The dark is where all the deadliest threats hide. Whether you're clearing a basement or surviving a moonless night, you need to know how to manage your light sources. This guide covers the tactical use of flashlights and the high-tech advantage of night vision goggles. On PC, the default key to toggle your lights is F. While the flashlight provides a strong focused beam, it also makes you a target for the players and certain light-sensitive zombies. Most importantly, keep an eye on your battery percentage at the bottom of your screen. Always carry at least 2 spare batteries in your quick slots. There's nothing more terrifying than having your only light source flicker out in the middle of an infested building. Once you find the night vision goggles, equip them to your head slot and press N to activate. NVGs also allow you to see clearly in the total darkness without emitting a visible beam, giving a massive stealth advantage. Don't let the darkness take you. Master your gear and own the night. Like and subscribe for more survival gear tutorials.